Welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Beaufox. I am collabing with them and I will be installing this wig with you guys. I hope y'all enjoy as much as I enjoy collabing with them. I definitely love this hair. It definitely was beginner friendly. So let's get right into this video. I will be showing y'all how I got this look.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping, was okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's the number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on every G, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping, was okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party, I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's the least I'ma do. Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Oh, feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? Feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? Oh, feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? 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 But you can't be
So y'all, this is the final look. I did end up wearing this hair on my vacation for my birthday. I definitely loved it. It definitely was a 9 out of 10 for me. I wish I would have bleached the knots a little bit more, but overall it definitely was some good hair. I definitely would recommend, you can use my discount code to get money off if you are interested in shopping with them. Let them know that I did send you. As I mentioned, you can use my discount code to get money off. Everything about this company, Beaufox, will be in the description box. Literally everything, as well as their Instagram, as well as their WhatsApp, literally everything, y'all. So definitely go and check them out. They do have more wigs on their site. We at 50K, we're in 100K. Y'all know the vibes. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video.